Hi viewers, I am Leena and welcome to my channel Leena's Kitchen Counter. So festival is around the corner and I thought why not to make some sweet recipe. So I am going to make rice pudding or chawal ki kheer. Let's start with some basic ingredients. First of all, wash and soak the rice for at least 15 to 20 minutes. Make sure you wash well and drain all the water. After 15 to 20 minutes, strain the rice in a strainer to drain off all the water. ऐसा करने से जो भी excess water है वो निकल जाएगा. Now in a pan add 3 tablespoons of ghee. As you melt the ghee, add cashew and saute it on low flame until it turns golden in color. As you can see, it has changed the color. Now take it out from the pan. Similarly, we will saute other dry fruits in same manner. Now in the same pan add bay leaves, cinnamon stick and poppy seeds. Poppy seeds को खसखस भी कहा जाता है. Again थोड़ा saute करें. Saute on low flame because we don't want to burn any one of these. Now add rice जिसे हमने strainer में रखा था. Saute rice also until you see the change in color. See the color of rice, it has changed now. At this point add milk. Now stir everything. Now bring this milk to a boil. Keep stirring the milk. By doing so it won't stick to the pan. Continue to cook the rice at simmer or low flame until the rice is just tender. As you can see, the milk has just started boiling. It will take around 15 to 20 minutes to cook depending on your heat. As you can see, our rice pudding has thickened up. At this point add granulated sugar. Mix it well. Let it boil for another 2 to 3 minutes. 2 से 3 मिनट तक और थोड़ा कुक करें. A pinch of salt to it. Stir again. Okay, so it's been 20 minutes and rice is cooked. Now add all the roasted ingredients along with cardamom and coconut. Add cardamom powder, shredded coconut, roasted dry fruits, few drops of vanilla extract. Give a nice mix. सभी चीज़ों को अच्छे से मिला लीजिए. So this is the right consistency which we were looking for. If you want more thick pudding, then let it be on heat for another 5 minutes. Okay, so pudding is ready. Let's turn off the gas and transfer it to another bowl. Few strands of saffron on top. ये स्टेप टोटली ऑप्शनल है, अगर आप चाहें तो डालिए, अदरवाइज रहने दीजिए. Now it's time to taste the mouth-watering pudding. देखते हैं कैसा बना है टेस्ट में. It's tasty and delicious. Hope you enjoyed making this tasty and flavorful pudding or kheer. Do try this recipe. Please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.